Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your app icon in Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to change your app icon on Sweatcoin app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you tap open the app, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on the profile icon on the left hand side of the corner and simply tap on the gear like icon, which is the settings option. So once you tap on it, you will be redirected to this interface where you can find the customize app icon option. So once you tap on it, you will be now redirected to a different page which looks like this, where you can select different custom app icons. However, for this you need to upgrade to the premium plan, and once you have upgraded to the premium plan, you can simply change your app icons according to your preferences and choices. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.